players, we're working our way through our Sound Innovations book, and we're on page 2. Remember, page 2 is working on the 4/4 time signature, meaning 4 beats in the measure, and the quarter note hits a count. And it's working on bolus and pizzicato and arco. So here we go. Remember, you can play along with me, or you can use the Sound Innovations recording library. Your choice. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, our D major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, lift and circle. This is where you need to do the baby lift. 1, 2, number 4. Number 5, pizzicato and pull. So first have your index finger and your thumb touching. So you can do pizzicato first, and then we'll do a quick switch to arco. Here we go. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, Go Till It Roading. This is one of our folk songs. There's a bow lift also at the end of the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4.